Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, Bose sound system, chrome mirror caps, heated front driver and passenger seats, HD radio, dual zone climate control, remote keyless entry, Sirius satellite radio, rear view camera, power adjustable pedals. Come take a test drive today.